What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Hedera Hbar, which has gained a green candle in the last 24 hours, just about 2% up, currently valued at just over 28 cents in value. So we'll be going through what is next for Hbar over the next couple of days towards the end of the year, and also going into 2025, what my expectations and predictions are for the crypto, not just early 2025 but for again the most of the year next year. How high can it go? What is its potential target that I can hit? And is a crypto worth investing into right now? But before I do that guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom, the RSI is still hovering around 56.70, which is pretty accurate because again the dips that have taken place doesn't mean the crypto is anywhere being near about being overvalued. It is pretty much on target, and it's got a long way to pump for it to go anywhere over the overvalued section, which I'm not expecting it to go anytime soon, and it is nowhere near being undervalued, so it is pretty much somewhere about in the middle, and that is what the RSI candle is indicating as well. And if we zoom out a little bit into the 4-hour chart here, we can see that the support level, as you guys can see, is still stuck at where it has been over the last few days. That's where it has been bouncing up and down from, and is essentially likely to go for a bullish movement over the next couple of days. Towards the end of the year, I'm expecting it to head up to over 30 cents in value, drop back down to its support level, and then potentially head up even higher, heading closer to around 35-36 cents in for the first 2 weeks of January is what I'm expecting at the moment. So essentially over the next 15 to 17 days, it should be heading over 35 cents in value. But that is if Bitcoin manages to pump up over $100,000, which at the moment is struggling to do so. As you guys can see, over the last week it has been hovering below $100,000, closer to around $96,000, and it is not looking too good for Bitcoin at the moment, but I am expecting it to go for a bullish movement in early January, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And as mentioned in my previous updates, I'm expecting a bull run from Bitcoin and the crypto market in the first quarter of 2025. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the 4-hour chart here, we can see the blue line, the MACD line, is looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction. However, it is still trading below the signal line, which is not looking too great. However, we can see the movement is quite bullish. It is very close to heading over the signal line, which I'm expecting it to do so over the next couple of hours. So for the rest of the year and early next year, it is looking like a bullish movement for Hbar, heading closer to around 35 cents as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So do expect more green candles to appear over the next few hours as well as over the next couple of days. Moving on to the daily chart, we are not looking too great here. We got the blue line looking quite bearish, unlike the previous chart, and it is again trading below the signal line. So over the next few weeks, at the moment, it is looking quite bearish for Hbar. However, due to the I'm expecting pumps over the next couple of hours and days, which means the blue MACD line here should turn into a bullish line over the next few days, heading upwards. So essentially in late January, February and March, I'm expecting it to go for a bullish movement, going for increases in value. Does not mean it's not going to go for a major pump or a breakout or anything like that. It is likely to be minimal increase in value, heading closer to 40 to 45 cents in the first quarter of 2025 is my predictions at the moment. But Hbar is a crypto that I do keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So if there are any major updates, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So on the side, we've also got the double EMA here in green at just below 29 cents, and that is essentially where the crypto is also trading at the moment. So it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. This is the second indicator telling us so. And again, over the last 4 weeks, since the 28th of November all the way up until now, the overall outcome has been more on the positive side rather than neutral, which is good to see. However, we can see that day by day it is getting closer and closer to being neutral, because over the week it is up 13%, and over the month, even though it is up 101%, we can see since the 3rd of December, which was just under 4 weeks ago, it has been stabilizing around the 29 cents value. But as mentioned, I'm expecting it to head upwards over the coming weeks. The trading volume has once again gone down 31%, currently just over $500 million, which is still quite high. However, compared to the weekly chart and the monthly chart, it is at one of its lowest point that it has been over the last 4 weeks. But yeah, this is my prediction on HBAR. A lot of people have been saying this crypto is likely to hit $8, $10 in 2025, which is possible. However, we have to take into consideration the dips that are likely to take place and mainly how Bitcoin is likely to perform. My predictions at the moment around $1.50, $1.70 in the first half of 2025 is what my predictions are, but I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. Let me know your end of year, sorry, not end of year, but your predictions for 2025 on HBAR. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before I click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.